you for joining us for KON News Channel 46 at 11. We're sending things over to the Weather Center with our Chief Meteorologist, Dan Cianca, who is still tracking everything we need to know from the wind to river levels, rain that's still kind of coming through the area and leaving.
Yes, and basically we're cleaning up tonight after what happened earlier today. The good news is it didn't rain as much as it was supposed to. The Mother Nature doesn't always listen to me when I put out a forecast, and I'm glad it didn't in this case because I was very concerned with how much moisture was associated with this system. Luckily, it just came through really fast, so we just moved on. So that was the good news for us. The wind, unfortunately, left us cleaning up in a lot of areas. Not everywhere. Some areas didn't do too bad with the wind, but you know who you are if you did, and that was the peninsula, much of Santa Cruz County, and even there were some good windy spots around Prunedale as well. We had some trees down on 101 earlier today. Live look from Domenico's showing things are looking a little misty out there tonight. We might have some fog this evening. There's a lot of low-level moisture still in the air tonight. Temperatures are a little bit cooler than they were last night. Comeback temperatures, there we go. We're down to 37 up on Loma Prieta, so there's some cold air aloft. This is cooler, drier air filtering in. Last night it was pretty warm and tropical as this system was coming in. Many areas saw lows in the upper 50s, which is pretty warm for this time of year. And we really haven't had anything warm for this time of year so far this year. Our highs really have been below normal outside of just a couple of days here and there since Christmas. I mean, we had that nice warm little stretch right before Christmas and then that hot stretch right before Thanksgiving, but it's been a little cool since then. You've probably been using your heater quite a bit, and tonight might be one of those nights where your heater kicks back on. You may not have used it over the last couple of nights because you haven't really needed it with lows in the upper 50s. It's not too bad, right? And those temperatures cooling off tonight, though, as this cooler, dry air moves in from the north. The sky is clear out on radar. We still have a few showers in southeastern Monterey County. They are rapidly coming to a halt, but I can't rule out a little bit of lingering drizzle from some low cloud cover, which is still out and about this evening. So it still may be damp out there. And the other thing is tomorrow morning on your way out the door, you're still going to be dealing with the residual effects of not just this storm, but recent ones as well, which have caused river flooding. And that has its own road closures. Plus, we've had a few mudslides today in the Santa Cruz Mountains. There's more rocks on the road on the Big Sur coast. Of course, those areas closed already in those cases, but you're probably going to find some debris down, some ponding on the roadways, and it may take you longer to get to work tomorrow morning with all the closures and debris on the road. So give yourself some extra time and just be careful when you're planning your route. Otherwise, much more clear air off to the north, slowly trying to work its way in, and that's going to give us a couple of quiet days ahead to catch our breath. And right now in the long-term forecast, I'm not seeing anything super heavy rain-wise to panic about or anything, but we'll talk about what is coming in just a moment. Futurecast is going to show us overnight. Well, again, we're going to clear out to some extent. I think we're going to hold on to some low clouds and fog overnight in our valleys, but generally as we head into the day tomorrow, the sun will come out, start to mix out our atmosphere a little bit, and that's going to mean plentiful sunshine for us. There'll be a few clouds over the hills, but otherwise it should be a pretty nice Wednesday. I had initially left some showers in the forecast for tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I think we're going to stay dry throughout the day tomorrow. And we'll throw in Thursday as well under mostly sunny skies. Our temperatures tomorrow, though, will still be a little bit cool for this time of year. We're behind the front in the post-frontal environment, as we would say, and that air mass is a little cooler and drier. So don't expect it to be hot tomorrow, but in some cases it'll feel nice. Santa Cruz, for example. Your high over the last couple of days has been in the 50s because of southerly winds off of the ocean. Tomorrow, you're back to 60 with a more northwesterly wind. So might actually be one of the warmer days you've experienced in the last several, at least during the afternoon in Santa Cruz tomorrow. That may be the only exception, though. Most other areas will be cooler. 58 in Capitola, 50s in the Santa Cruz Mountains, Watsonville in the 50s tomorrow, Salinas, 59. Same in Hollister. We were close to 70 a couple days ago in Salinas. Not too bad. But today, I think we were in the 60s, even with the rain falling. So tomorrow, a little bit on the cooler side. Monterey Peninsula, mainly mid to upper 50s. And then one last stop on the tour. We'll take you southward into Salinas Valley. Going to get you into the low 60s in Soledad, Greenfield, King City, Bradley. Looks like it's going to be a hot spot on the map tomorrow. If that's where you want to go, if you want to warm up. Look at that 7-day forecast. Temperatures staying a little cool for this time of year. St. Patrick's Day, looking dry. Looks like a weather system is going to slide to our south. That might bring a few showers, but nothing major. And right now, I don't even have any rain in the forecast, so we'll watch that. Another weak system slides by Saturday. And then it looks like Monday into Tuesday, another system comes through. That one is looking a little more on the moist side. Maybe we'll get a weak atmospheric river with it. Nothing that's concerning me at the moment, but it bears watching. In the meantime, high temperatures expected to stay below normal for this time of year. Inland areas, a very similar forecast for you. One thing of note, though, I think on Thursday morning it'll be cold enough that in some of our higher valleys you might get a little nip of frost. It's going to be a chilly morning as this drier air moves in, but generally we're watching for those additional rain chances. We again just want to reiterate we are going to see some increased levels in our rivers. The Pajaro River will go up a little bit more tomorrow and crest again, and then the Salinas River will also have another crest coming down the river over the next couple of days. They don't look as high as what we've seen in recent days, but may cause some additional minor flooding. Veronica.
Thank you, Dan. Watching the rivers as the days go by. Thank you for keeping us updated.